So we are back, so we're going to take this floor up today. This is 18mm chipboard, it's pretty much had it all over, so we're going to put 22mm egger board down and insulate it as well with the insulation she's got left. I'm banging holes through to make it easier. Come up quite easy. It's just hammer straight through it. 4-inch they are them. Right, we've just got a board at back left to take up. There's new floors, 22mm, so skirting's going to have to come off. So we'll have to take them off and put them back on, which is good. They're only stuck on, so it should be easy to get off. And then I've picked these up because it's got no noggins in, so a lot of them have twisted. So we're going to put it in. I didn't have no 4x2s. They didn't have no 4x2s, so I've just got 5x2s for it, which is fine because I'll just dangle down a bit here. And that'll be fine. And then we're going to change this one here. This one here, I don't know if you can see it. See, it's a big split. Well, I'm not going to take it out. Or do I take it out? I'm going to either take it out to this wall, or I'll just put one of these in, break an hole there and just put it aside of it and nail it to it. And put a sister joist in there. Perfecto. Right, hopefully that'll fit. Really, hopefully she'll fit. So tight. Oh my god, what are you doing? Is it going? Going. Yeah, it's going. Yep, there you go. Oh yeah, lovely. Just down a little bit, just needs knocking up. Kind of couple that way now. Bit banged in. So we're just screwing these lats in now. This is going to hold us king span. We've got on, you can just see them running underneath. That's going to hold us king span in. Then we've got a couple more. If we've got some cuts, we'll just put a few more lats under. You can do it with something else, but we thought we'd use lats because it supports joists a bit more as well. Getting a big crack wall up. Another little job that we're doing. I sort of put, see how it's really big at the top, goes tight at the bottom. So is it going like that? I'm not sure. I put some straps on it, but I don't know what's caused it. It goes all the way down to the foundation. But I don't know whether it's just with length. The whole length of the house because it's really long, so I don't know whether that's causing it and then whether it's like, you know, expansion, it's just cracked under expansion, so it could be a wrong thing doing this really, because it could just put a crack further down wall, but I don't know, we'll see. It's gone up ceiling all a bit weird. I don't know what's caused it. I've got some sand, Tim's just mixing some sand and cement. I'm just going to bomb that on and then we'll go over it with some mullet finish. So just got that in, put it a bit back, look, just got a bit, it's in a little bit so I can get some plaster on it. Give that a day or two and then we'll get these done and then we'll skim over that. Right, I've just taped it up so there's no holes in it. Ready for boards now, I've already cut first row so we'll get these done. We're going to glue them down with the glue, PU glue. So we've got 2 rows in, so what we do is we just put screws in back because you want this to lift to slide that board in. So we're screwed back first, and then when we're taking screws now, we'll put one there, one there, one there, and then we'll leave this unscrewed so it can, but we need to move all these and tape up again, so at the end of the day we'll probably just have to screw last ones in, because we're not going to get this all done today. So there's one that we've taped round, look, then vent goes in and under like that. Now I've just got a cut out on that, look, and then that'll go up like that. I know they're a bit smaller, but there's bloody 7 of them, plenty of air coming in here. And now it's going straight under the floor now, which makes it a little bit better. It's a bit smaller, but look, that's how they go. Finally getting somewhere again now. Got all these in, just radiator to go in there, and if plumber can't make it, I'll end up doing it. We're laying boards again. Yeah, ready when you are. And I need more time. Oh, you're waving. Fair bit. Quite a bit. Not touching, yeah, touching, aren't we? It's good. So we've got to cut because the joists are a bit hard, so we've got to cut them. It don't matter though, we're gluing them all together, so happy days. Right, these are not glued down, these last boards. We're going to put another radiator there. Can't get out of it while tomorrow. It's like a special order one, you know, with the 450 be 1100 I think. I'm going to skim this. Got a bit of foam, I don't know whether Josh is just trying to pick end out of it. I don't know whether it's going to work. We're going to foam around all these, like, see what gaps are though. So we're going to foam them up all the way around really, apart from there, and then do that tomorrow. I'm going to skim this. That up there, it's got a crack up there as well, but I pressed board and it just don't move at all, so we're just going to fill that. Because there's just no movement in it, it's just cracked open, so we'll just fill that. It's pointless ripping board down, because it won't make any difference, I don't think. Right, skim this bit. Right, I'm just going to put some tape on the cap now, and then we'll put another skim with it. I'm going to put another coat on this second coat. Right, just press it steady, like you don't want you can like that, your can needs to be up in here all like that, yeah. Just get it out nice and steady. There you go, that's enough. And just keep going with it. Perfect. Right, it's just foaming all edges up. Tim's just wetting that wall because I like to dry a bit while I have my dinner. Put another coat on this. Get one more on that. It's nearly ready now, look. I'm going to go over it again though. And I'm just going to float this up in a minute. I've just got a Superflex on it. Tim's just rubbed this in so it was dancing up, so there's trying to do a little rub with sandpaper, it should be good. A few lines in it. It's gone off quite a bit, like, so I'm really pushing. That's enough, I'm just playing with it now. There we go. Right, that's it, last boards are going in. Foam it back. I put this rad in the other day, but I only had it for a day because I just went to the dentist again. So we've got 2 rads now. And a load of MDFs turned up. Yeah, so that is it for this one. Want to know what all this is for? We're going to build some units on that back wall. We've got 18mm foot cabinets, and then foot doors I've got 12, and then we're going to put like a trim around it, which is 6mm trim, 12mm board, and that'll have it all built in. We don't know how we're going to do it yet. We've got a rough plan. So something like that. Mirror in the middle, and that's going to be like a wine rack, them things up each side. So wine rack each side, doors, cabinet. And we've got a board for the like worktop across the top of there. Well, that's for the next video. So I shall catch you later. So subscribe if you like it, and watch some more. And drop us a comment, give us a like. I'll see you in the next one. Get this built up. See you later.